Welcome back. Continuing the news. One man is dead and a police officer hospitalized after an altercation in Park Mountain, St. Elizabeth on Sunday. As you'll hear in this report, the man, who is believed to be of unsound mind, chopped the officer with a machete before he was fatally shot.
The dead man has been identified as 43-year-old Noel Thompson. Initial reports are that Sunday afternoon, Thompson attacked the police sergeant with a machete, chopping him in the face and on the arm. The officer reportedly pulled his firearm and shot him dead. The cop was taken to hospital where he was treated and released. When our news team visited the community, relatives and community members gave us more insight into the incident. Joy Reed explained that Noel Thompson grew up in the community, but in recent years started acting strangely.
Sometimes you pass, you hear him talk to himself like I'm mad and them there, and like in his part is not right.
His stepsister, Beverly Hunter, explains that Noel was a welder. She says his strange behavior started when he was introduced to and got addicted to hard drugs.
After that, they fire him, lose his job, come home, and them saying start do other chicken at people ground or whatever. But he did stop. So he had take him now, so he must go take with the man things.
According to residents, Noel allegedly broke into the police officer's home and removed several items, including a bed, a motorbike, and electrical appliances. The officer accosted and questioned him about the robbery, and during the altercation, the cop was chopped and Mr. Thompson shot. The police officer has since been treated and released from hospital.